everybody! So today I'm joined with my mum and we are going to be doing a blind taste test on different teas. So we have our creative producer in the corner and he has kindly put out 8 different lots of tea into a cup. They're all numbered 1 to 8 and me and my mum don't know what brands they're from apart from Richard, and the brands of the tea are underneath the cup. So for reference we are using whole milk. We also have a cup here, 2 cups full of water, so then between each tea we can have a different, you know, it doesn't taste basically the same. So here on this table we have numbered 1 to 8. Number, cheers, cheers. Turn the mouth off. To me tea just tastes tea.
Bugging hot. It's alright, but I don't think it's an I brand.
Number 2. No, I think that's weak, that. So I think that's a cheaper brand, I think. Tastes weak to me, that, like, it's not got an oomph. Yeah. But I'll go for that one.
It's just there's some.
It's alright. Oh wait, hang on. They're down here.
I don't think that's too bad.
I still think the first one's the best at the moment.
Can I have a tea?
Who are you catching tea?
Oh, Mum.
You've just come out for 5 minutes stop.
She was walking through there, so I picked her up to see what we're up to.
Such.
Do you know what, the amount is, to me feels weak. Feels not a good tea bag.
So this is the...
There's a difference somewhere, because I've noted, right, I've just noted that McDonald's cups of tea aren't that brill. Tool's House is not great. It's alright, sometimes it will be nice, sometimes it's alright. Poundland in Blackpool. Costa coffee. They're not, whatever, Mrs. They're not, anyway, it doesn't matter what, they're not subscribing to
Brand 2 more.
I just don't, I'm not getting on with number 4.
Oh. Go on.
I think that's not too bad, that one.
So that's definitely better than the one I've just had. Number 4, but it just didn't taste right.
No, not really good. I'm going to be bouncing up the walls after this video. I don't think that's good, that one. I think that one's same as number 4. No, what you said.
No, Paul, I get some part of number 4. 6,
a bit better than number 6, but not much.
Come in. Oh, good morning, Teddy.
7 is that's just blonde as well.
Right, that's one.
Well, that's how you're writing it down.
I've got it down.
I like that one. Depends on how you like your tea, basically. If you like it stronger or weak.
That's it.
But I'm going to rate them out of 10. Right, let's find out the results. So this is number 1. And number 1 was... oh, Asda. Number 2 was Typhoon. Number 3 was Yorkshire tea. Number 4 was Tetley's. Number 5 was Stockwell. Number 6 was Alder. Number 7
bland.
was Red Label. Last one we had was PG Tips. If you also want to check out my dad's channel, I will leave that link down below and in the iCards. His channel is called Fab Odrab.
Two channels aimed at car boot sales, charity shops, anything to get things second hand a bit cheaper. I mean, I can bake and cook, so I don't know if I'm going to do any of that. And there's other things that I can do. I'm like one of these person what's good at, not good at everything, but can do a lot of things. What do you call it? What do you call that, Rebecca? Now that's there's a saying, isn't there, when you dogs. It's something to do with master of none. That can. I forget that. Anyway,
I'm not sure, but you know what you mean.
So that's what it's going to be. Just I did a jumbo sale haul the other week, but we never got down to doing it because we were too busy. I was too busy working. Work sometimes 6 days. It feels like 6 days a week. But I will get on with it as soon as I can. We've been looking out on this video, so this has probably took a lot out of me. So thank you. Bye.
If you guys enjoyed this video, get a nice thumbs up from me. Comment down below any suggestions you want us to do next. This video idea was actually my dad's video. Maybe we should do this one coffee. Make sure you subscribe to me because I'm nearly at 600 subscribers. Thank you.